Hello everyone, I'm Lara Fendita from 5UD class with research methodology subject. From now, I want to explanation about interpretation of data. So, what is data interpretation? Data interpretation refers to the implementation of processes through which data is reviewed for the purpose of arriving at an informed conclusion. The interpretation of data assigns a meaning to the information analysis and determine its significance and implication. This process, which will help assign some meaning to the data and arrive at a relevant conclusion. It involves taking the result of data analysis, making inference on the relation study, and using them conclusion. Therefore, before we can talk about interpreting data, they need to be analyzed first. Do you remember what data analysis we discussed last week? Data analysis is the process of ordering, categorizing, manipulating, and summarizing data to obtain answers to research questions. It is usually the first step taken toward data interpretation. And next, what are data interpretation methods? Data interpretation methods are how analysis help people make sense of numerical data that has been collected, analyzed, and presented. Data, when collected in the raw form, may be difficult for the layman to understand, which is why analysts need to break down the information gathered so that others can make sense of it. There are two main methods in which this can be done. The namely is quantitative method and qualitative method. Qualitative data interpretation method. The qualitative data interpretation method is used to analyze qualitative data, which is also known as categorical data. This method uses text rather than number or pattern to describe data. Qualitative data is usually gathered using a wide variety of person-to-person techniques. These techniques include: first is observation, second is document, and the third is interview. Quantitative data interpretation method. The quantitative data interpretation method is used to analyze quantitative data, which is also known as numerical data. This data type contains number and is therefore analyzed with the use of number and not text. Some of the statistical methods used in analyzing quantitative data are highlighted below. First is mean, second is standard deviation, the last is frequency distribution. Some other interpretation processes of quantitative data include regression analysis, cohort analysis, and predictive and prescriptive analysis. Visualization techniques in data analysis. One of the best practices of data interpretation is the visualization of dataset. Visualization makes it easy for a layman to understand the data and also encourage people to view the data, as it provides a visually appealing summary of the data. There are different techniques of data visualization, some of which are highlighted below. Bar graphs. Bar graphs are graphs that interpret the relationship between two or more variables using rectangular bars. This is an example for some type of bar graphs, and the picture is for example blue bar graphs. This is a stacked bar graph, segmented bar graph. Advantage of a bar graph is it helps to summarize a large data. An estimation of key values can be made at a glance and can be easily understood. Disadvantage of a bar graph is it may require additional explanation, and it can be easily manipulated and it doesn't properly describe two dataset. The next is pie chart. A pie chart is a circular graph used to represent the percentage of occurrence of a variable using sectors. Pie chart example. This is a picture of simple pie chart. Donut pie chart. And the last is 3D pie chart. The advantage of a pie chart is it is visually appealing and best for comparing small data samples. Disadvantage of a pie chart is it can only compare small sample size and unhelpful with observing trends over time. Tables. Tables are used to represent statistical data by placing them in rows and columns. This is a picture example for simple table and complex tables. Advantage of table it can contain large dataset, helpful in comparing two or more similar things. And disadvantage of table is they do not give detailed information and may be time consuming. And the last is line graph. Line graph or chart are a type of graph that display information as a series of points, usually connected by a straight line. Advantage of a line graph is great for visualizing trends and change over time, and it is simple to contract and read. And disadvantage of a line graph is cannot compare different variables at a single place or time. And then this is a sample for line graphs is text line graph and line graph with markers. So this is last for my explanation. Advantage of data interpretation is help to make informed decision and not just through guessing or prediction. Second, it's cost efficient, and the last is the insight obtained can be used to set and identify threats in data. Conclusion. Data interpretation and analysis is an important aspect of working with dataset in any field of research and statistics. They both go hand in hand as the process of data interpretation involves the analysis of data. The process of data interpretation is usually cumbersome and should naturally become more difficult with the vast amount of data that is being churned out daily. However, with the accessibility of data analysis tools and machine learning techniques, analysis are gradually finding it easier to interpret data. Data interpretation is very important as it helps to acquire useful information from a pool of irrelevant one while making informed decision is found useful for individual business and researchers. I think that's all for my explanation. Thank you for your watching. See you next week. I'm Lara Fiandita. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.